Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Come on, keep pumping, bro. I think we're actually gonna make it to 70k, bro. This is actually fucking perfect, dog. Oh my god, we just hit 70k. Okay, go back to the website right now. Move liquidity, minus button, 100%. Click on confirm. Oh my god, we just made. You're not gonna believe what's inside my Phantom wallet. I've made over $682,000 in just 1 month launching meme coins on this secret website on the Solana blockchain. Let me show you exactly how I did it. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. How did you do it? What did you do? I'm gonna be explaining everything down. When I first started this thing, I used to trade them every single day, all the time, trading meme coins and losing my money. Now, what I'm about to show you guys is life-changing, and I'm telling you guys, if you stick to it, you will make it. Now, what we do is we create a coin, we pump it up, and then we just dump and make hella bread. It's as simple as that, guys. There's no gimmick. It's not nothing. It's not rocket science. It's as easy as that. Even a monkey could do it. Now, if you go over to Dex Screener and take a look, all of these coins are created starting at 0 and ending at 0. What I mean by that? Okay, if we go over to Barsic, this coin hit $300 million in market cap, and it rugged all the way down to, what is it now? $1 million. Now, who do you think walked away with all of this profit? Mr. Hasbullah himself. Exactly, bro. This is as easy as that. Now, how are you guys gonna do it? It's simple. It's simple. You're going to go over to coinlabs.fun. This website will allow you to create your own meme coins. And the thing that is so beautiful about this is fully repeatable. You can do it as many times as you want until you are satisfied. Now stay tuned as I'm about to show you guys exactly how you can do it too. But before we get started, I just want to make it clear that this video is purely for educational purposes only, so please do not copy me but enjoy the video. Now you guys will be creating your tokens on coinlabs.fun. It is the only website that is legit on YouTube. This website will allow you guys to create your coins in seconds with no coding required. And the second good thing about this website, the upside to this website, is that it creates a coin straight on the liquidity pool of Raydium. Now, what is the Raydium liquidity pool? It's a liquidity pool for all the biggest coins out there. So you guys will be getting way more attention, way more buys, and way more money. Now, the reason why you guys will not be creating your coins on Pump.Fun is, first of all, it is oversaturated. There are too many bullshit coins that are wasting people's time, and these coins have to hit a $90,000 market cap for it to bond over to the Raydium deck, the one that you guys will be instantly put on. So why would you not create your coin on coinlabs.fun? Now, if you guys go over to the copy trending coins tab, this is my favorite way to make instant money on coinlabs.fun. Now, what this tab is the website going through thousands of coins, either on Bullex, in the new creations, about to graduate, and graduated tabs, and finding coins that are proven to making you hella bread. Now, there are 3 rules that I apply to make thousands in profit. Now, the first rule is when you refresh the tab, you have to have a last bot on your coin in under 15 seconds, or else it is not hot enough. We want coins that are fast, that have hella buyers instantly. Now, the second one is narrative. Choose a coin that has a good narrative and up to date. So if it's currently being discussed in the narrative niche, so for example on X, are we seeing what is on this tab? Yes or no? And if the answer is yes, then go ahead and create that coin. Now the final rule is that your coin has to have a market cap over 30,000. Now, this is probably the easiest one to respect because all of these coins have over 30,000 in market cap. Just a quick disclaimer, this is Mr. Munyon from the future. All of these rugs that you guys are going to be seeing, they're only 2. Basically, I'm on a trip, and those are my last 2 recorded launches that were actually pretty good. So that's why y'all are going to be seeing them a hella ton, because I am on vacation. Alright, so now you guys made it this far into the video, we're going to do the live carpet. Now, we're gonna create a coin on this one. I like it. A good market cap, a good last bot, everything is good. So we're gonna proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then it will take us to a page where we can create the liquidity pool. So this is token address for your coin. Now, all we have to do in this part is add 90% of the market cap to the public and 10% for yourself, which by the way, you will be getting this money back, so don't worry. And for the amount of token B, it's basically liquidity in your coin. So we're gonna put anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 is a good bet. So we're gonna put 0.3 for the sake of the video. Then we're gonna create on creating pool, and then our liquidity pool should be created. So let's confirm, and then there we have it. Our liquidity pool has been created. Now if we wait a little bit, we refresh, there is our coin. So how are you guys gonna see it? We're gonna click on view on Photon, and then it should take us, I just came back from a 20-minute walk, so shit, here is our coin. So it already has hella buys. It looks to be stagnating a bit. I mean, I guess the coin did pretty well. So honestly, 26k is not that bad for a coin launch. What we're gonna do, we're gonna remove liquidity from this coin to get all of that sweet money. So all we would do is go back to the website. All you guys have to do to remove liquidity is click on the minus button, 100%, remove liquidity. We will be removing 192 Solana, so let's go ahead and confirm that's about like $20,000. And then boom, there we go. The coin has successfully been rugged. Now look, our coin is at 0 obviously because we removed all the liquidity, and all you guys have to do is check your balance and the money should be there. It's as simple as that. $24,000 printed in 30 minutes. Hopefully this video gave y'all clarity on how you guys can create your own meme coins. Join my free Telegram in the description down below. My website is also linked there, so you guys can launch your own coins very fast. And until the next one, peace.